How to log out of your account on cal.com application. First, you're going to open your cal.com application. And inside the application, you'll be able to see your profile icon at the top right of your screen. You want to simply tap on your profile icon and tap on My Profile. After that, you want to scroll down all the way from here and you'll be able to see an option called Delete Your Account from here, as well as to disconnect your account from your Google. If your account is connected through your Google account, you want to simply tap on Disconnect from here and click on Close. To delete your account, you want to simply tap on Delete Account and click on Delete My Account. There is also another way that you can log out of your account from the application. You want to simply go back from here, tap and hold on to the cal.com app and click on App Info. Click on Storage and Cache and clear your storage from here. What this does is it deletes all the user data from the application, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.